Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to change device name in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, in your tablet, just go to the settings. Go to settings. Then here go to system. And here go to about tablet. And here click on device name. By default, device name is set to Lenovo Tab M10 third gen. Okay, if you would like to change it to other name, yes, you can do it. Just delete available text and write your own text. So here just I type my Lenovo. So my Lenovo will be the device name hereafter. Okay, whatever you want to type, just you can do it here. Okay. My Lenovo I typed and click on OK. Your device name is visible to apps on your phone. It may also be seen by other people when you connect to Bluetooth devices or set up to WLAN hotspot. Okay, click on OK. So this is the device name hereafter. In this way, you can easily change device name in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching.
Bye.